Taichi Ohno's 10 precepts. First, realize, Paul, you are a cost.
Because I'm management, right?
First, reduce waste. That means reducing you.
Right, exactly.
First, say, I can do it, and try everything. It's so easy to say, so difficult, I can't do it.
It's so easy. Oh, I can't do it. Impossible, impossible, impossible.
Do it right now. Take action. Take immediate action is one of Ohno's principles.
Action now.
Do it now. Do anything immediately. It's kind of a severe company. Do not go home until you fix it. The workplace is a teacher. You can only find answers in the workplace. Go to Gemba.
My favorite one.
Explain things in easy to understand manner to the Gemba people.
Look at, I put repeat. I highlighted it because it's so important to repeat, repeat, repeat.
Waste is hidden. Do not hide it. This is kind of a funny story. The Honsha Plant, which means the headquarter plant, Ohno's territory. There was a big pool of water for fire suppression. It's like a little lake. There was a maintenance schedule that requires them to drain the water from the pond every so often. And when they did it, they found all these auto parts and crankshafts that the workers have been throwing in this pool of water to hide defects, and Ohno found them.
So they had a big pond that they pulled the water from, it sounds like, right?
When they drained the pool, they found so many crankshafts that the workers have been throwing in there.
They were throwing the bad defects in the pool.
And what's even funnier is this is Ohno-san's area.
Toyota, right? Toyota makes me feel so good. I feel this big next to Toyota.
So as a result, this is Ohno-san's idea, to make the problems visible. Don't hide them.
You think Ohno was throwing the crankshafts in the pool? Was that Ohno or somebody else throwing them in the pool?
I don't think it was Ohno. I think it was the Gemba people.
So he just lower the fire pool. Show the problem. Oh, I love it. This is great.
This is also very important. Valueless motion is wasting one's life.
Yeah. Walking is not working. Yeah.
Ohno-san always said, make improvements on what you have already improved.
Further improvement. Kaizen, Kaizen, Kaizen.
When I was the manager of the paint shop, the general manager came to me and said, hey, Matt, how come nothing's changed? It's been 3 days. I don't see any Kaizen. Nothing has changed in these 3 days. No Kaizen.
Yeah, 3 days, no Kaizen.
No Kaizen. I go, huh. Only 3 days ago, and he's breathing down my throat because there was no Kaizen.
This is great.
So the general manager called me. He was serious about Kaizen.
It's almost emotional for me to hear all this. This is so cool.
This is also Ohno-san's principle. Wisdom is given to all men equally.
One of my favorite ones, too. The question is, can you exercise it?
Do not use money. This is another true story. So an engineer did a Kaizen, and he spent $1,000, and he was very proud of the fact that he did it. And then when Ohno-san heard that, what if you could do the same Kaizen without spending any money? So this engineer spent $1,000 to improve one process, and he was very proud. Ohno said, if we could do the same, Kaizen without spending money, which is better.
Yeah. So in other words, he got $1,000, did the Kaizen. So then the engineer said, what if we did that Kaizen without spending?
Engineer was so proud,
right?
Spending 1,000 and do the Kaizen.
Right.
But Ohno-san said, hey, what if we are able to do the same Kaizen without using any money?
Yes.
This actually happened in the supplier level. So the supplier ordered a big machine to do this Kaizen, to make this improvement, and it turned out they didn't need to order the big machine. They could have done the Kaizen without it.
Right. Came in there and they did the whole thing without even spending any money. So this one right here, I just want to emphasize this. Wisdom is given equally to everyone. What wisdom really means is experiences. Every day we have experiences, and we should gain wisdom from those experiences. Everybody gets experiences, whether or not you're on the Gemba, whether or not you're an engineer, whether or not you're a dentist, a lawyer. There are all these experiences. The question is, do you take those experiences? Do you take the wisdom from those experiences and exercise it and actually apply them? This is a very powerful concept.